Hey everybody, Cayman here with the Spa and Sauna Company and Hot Spring Spas of Santa Cruz and San Jose. Today, we're talking hot tub toolkits. More specifically, what are the essentials and what's in yours? Pretty much every hobby requires some type of toolkit with at least the bare essentials. If you like to ride bikes, you keep a spare tube and some chain lube on hand. If you like to fish, you probably keep some spare line and a multi-tool. Well, hot tubbing is really no different. It's a good idea to keep a hot tub toolkit so that if routine maintenance becomes necessary or if a problem arises, you can address it then and there and get back to enjoying your spa. Usually as the years go on, your hot tub toolkit is going to get bigger and more complex, but whether you're just starting out or you're a grizzled veteran, here's 5 essential things we believe should be in your hot tub toolkit. Oh, also, they're all under 50 bucks. We're starting things off with one of the basics, test strips. And unlike chicken strips, test strips are a great thing to keep in your hot tub toolkit. Modern test strips are easy to use and understand, and testing your water regularly and balancing it is an essential part of using your spa safely. Plus, keeping a bottle or 2 on hand is going to save you a trip to the store to get your water tested. The next essential we recommend is a bottle of filter cleaner. When you first bought your spa, you were probably advised how often you need to replace your filter. But it's a good idea to clean your filter in between replacements. Cleaning your filter cartridge with some filter cleaner is going to help maximize its lifespan and help increase the efficiency of your hot tub. In fact, dirty filter cartridges is one of the leading causes of all hot tub malfunctions. So keeping a bottle of filter cleaner on hand and in your toolkit is going to help maximize your hot tub time. One of our favorite tools to use both in the field and on our personal hot tubs is the Hot Spring Spa Vac. If you've ever tried to remove debris from your hot tub using your hands or maybe a bucket, you probably realize how much of a headache it can cause. Well, the Hot Spring Spa Vac is the answer. It's vacuum actuated and super easy to use. You just point the spa vac at the debris you want to remove and it's gonna suck up both the water and that debris. But because of the trapdoor mechanism in here, it's gonna leave behind all the debris but return the water to your spa, which is gonna save you water in the long run. If you want a demonstration on just how easy this thing is to use, be sure to check out our Hot Spring Spa Vac tutorial video. Whenever you use your spa, you're going to leave behind things like body oils or cosmetics, which can irritate your skin and cause unwanted odors. So shocking your water, also known as oxidizing, is going to eliminate these compounds and restore your water to clarity and comfort levels. And adding shock to your water isn't just for when you notice a problem with your water chemistry. You can add shock to your water weekly, which is going to help keep your chemical balance in a comfortable range, which is going to help prevent odors and cloudy water forming in the first place. There's a lot of shock on the market, but personally we recommend Spa Guard's Enhanced Shock, which also acts as a pH buffer. Modern hot tubs are definitely built to last, but if you really want to maximize the lifespan of your spa, you're going to want to protect it and clean it when necessary, and that's where 303 comes in. Okay, so yeah, technically this is 2 products, but we like them both so much we really couldn't recommend one as essential without also recommending the other. 303 Aerospace Protectant has become popular with hot tub owners because of its ability to repel harmful UV rays. Spray some of this Power Pack formula on your hot tub cover or your synthetic siding, and it's going to provide months of UV ray protection as well as repel some dirt and stains. When it becomes time to clean the exterior of your hot tub, there's nothing we like more than 303's multi-surface cleaner. It easily removes oil, grease, grime, and other stains that other cleaners simply can't. You'll definitely notice a difference in its ability to brighten and rejuvenate the exterior of your hot tub shell. And because it's water-based, it's safe on pretty much any surface or fabric. And really, both of these 303 products are great products to have around the house for applications outside of your hot tub. If you're looking to add any of these products to your hot tub toolkit, head on over to shop.spaandsauna.com where you can find these and a bunch of other products on sale. Most orders over $75 will ship for free. And let us know what you think is an essential in your toolkit. We'd love to hear your feedback. So once again, I'm Cayman with the Spa and Sauna Company and Hot Spring Spas of Santa Cruz and San Jose. Thanks for watching.